think so. Nope. I don't want to go CVS. You're not teaching our customers right. I want to go CVS. Give me a piece. I'm not eating that. Oh. Come on. Yeah, the last one. Not yet, not yet. Okay. Hold on. Okay. That's backwards, stop it. I'm not turning around. Go! Almost me. Go! Kick it! Don't rip it. Matt, hold it, hold it. I'll turn it. Don't. Stop. Go pick it up. I don't know. Here's our cool adventure down the slide. Hey, Mom, but you slide this down. Stop. Give me that. You need it? Yeah. I ain't too off the ground. I got an idea. No. Guys, we're gonna put on. Not yet, we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on. No. Do that. No. Come on. He's gonna go all fucking wacko. I don't think that's a good spot to play. Yeah, fine. You go miss it. Go. Go. Yeah. You find your bike? Yeah. Watch. I want to see you come back up and hit your I know it's tough. Wait. No. You know the next gun that I got is right at Splash? Every piece was one. I gave that one to him. Wow, that was good. Look at this, that's it. Okay, stop. Stop. Sammy. Put it down. Put it freaking. Sammy. Yeah. Lean towards it. And Sammy. Yep, I know I look gangster. With my collar shirt. Yeah, definitely. Fuck you!
I'm on a pole.
He's on a pole.
Yeah. Okay, Sammy, we're gonna make you go down this slide thing.
No, we're not.
We're gonna fucking hang on this pole.
Come on, take this.
Yo, film them.
Film this, bitch.
No.
Get on the slide. That's where I'm putting it. Wait, I can't see that well. Wait, guys, I'm gonna go through another place so you can get a better view. You guys over there at home watching this great show of showness. I went down the